Yesterday we did a 2-part round. Today we're going to do a 3-part round called Aw, Poor Bird. This is an old folk song, and it's not in a major key, it's in a minor key. So it's going to sound a little dark, it's going to sound a little creepy at first, maybe even a little sad. Let's get started with the words. So repeat after me. Aw, poor bird, take your flight up above the sorrow of this dark night. Next, let's listen to the notes on the piano. Make sure you follow along in your music. Next, let's listen to the singing part. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, poor bird, take your flight up above the sorrow of this dark night. Now, let's add 2 parts to it. So we'll start with the first at the very beginning, and then we'll add the second part in the second measure. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, poor bird, take your flight, take your sorrow of this dark night. Take your flight, take your sorrow of this dark night. Now, let's add the third part to it as well. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, poor bird, take your flight, take your sorrow of this dark night. Take your flight, take your sorrow of this dark night. Now that we have the whole song all together, pick a part, either the first part, second part, or third part. The first part's going to be a little easier just because it starts at the beginning, but that doesn't make it that much easier, honestly, with this 3-part round. You can get lost in any of the parts. If you'd like to, take a recording of yourself singing any of the parts, even if it's just the first part, and attach it to this assignment for fun. All right, guys, peace out.